dhaoibh YouTube, Bhlian Nua Sásta. So, a new year and hopefully a whole new set of different adventures to be doing. Starting today, I am going to donate blood after my year. Should be interesting. May or may not make this part of the vlog, or maybe I'll just do a separate one. I don't know. But I decided to dress with jeans and a t-shirt and a pair of runners instead of my kind of outdoorsy trousers and my hiking boots. I'm gonna put a fleece on though because it's bitterly cold out. Bitterly cold and wet. That's thanks to Storm Eleanor, I believe. Also, using a new phone. Kind of in two minds. It could just be that the screen brightness is down, but it looks very dark, so I'll have to check when I turn the screen brightness up a bit. That's probably why it's dark. But anyway, see you shortly. Fóill rash. So, finally on to Dollar Street. Running a little bit late for my appointment, but nothing new there for me. I'll vlog what I can, and we'll see how we go. This will probably be a separate vlog, but we'll see how we go anyway. dhaoibh, fóill rash. So, my plan to vlog, no, didn't actually work. Couldn't vlog in the clinic, it's against policy. And then I got out and went straight to have lunch with my uncle, and then I was just kind of on the go since then. Went and met, we had the first official AGM of what we're provisionally calling the Puddle Pals, between myself and Tina and Sinead. So I look forward to a whole year full of adventure with our Puddle Pals and Google. I'll explain Google the next time I see her. Cool. So just a little recap. Giving blood's a very interesting experience. It's not extreme, it's not painful, it's, well, a little bit of a prick when the needle went in, if you'll excuse any puns. But I think I was in and out of the chair in about 7 or 8 minutes. I didn't even have time to ask if I could vlog, but then everyone was looking at me going, "You alright? You alright?" I said, "Yeah, grand." I actually felt a whole lot better than I thought I would. Now, granted, the last time I had to have any blood taken was a sports mental health, it was a sports and cognitive ability research piece that a friend of mine was doing, where I'd been running on a treadmill for 25 minutes with a VO2 max mask thingy on, and then she took my blood, and then I kind of went, oh dear lord, just the blood pressure bottomed out, and I was like, okay, no, sit down. So I thought, I was fully expecting something like that to happen, and I hadn't had a whole heap to eat. I had a cup of tea in my bowl of cornflakes, and I had about 3/4 of a litre of water and a packet of crisps before I got into the chair. And do you ever get it on a slight tangent? Do you ever get a taste for something that you haven't had for ages, and then you have it and you're like, oh, I could have more of that. I end up having 3 bags of Tato, which I don't normally eat all the time. So that was nice. But look, they think it's something like 1,500 donations a week that they need on a regular basis. And it's only it's single figure percentages of the population that can donate at any one time. So go on to the GiveBlood.ie and take their test and see if you can donate blood. Because it's a very necessary thing to do. It's a very worthwhile thing to do. And not everybody has to go through the same hurdles and hoops as I did. So, that's that. Yeah. Bhlian Nua Sásta arís. And hopefully this vlogging thing will catch on again. You never know. Gur míle maith agat, agus slán fóill.
Here.